My methodology combined hands-on cooking tests, sautéing, searing, simmering, and boiling, routine dishwasher and oven checks, and long-term wear observations, while cross-referencing manufacturer's specs, induction compatibility, heat tolerance, lid materials, and warranty terms. The products covered span t-fal, hexclad, and caraway, representing hard anodized, hybrid nonstick, and granite or coated aluminum technologies.
Product number 1. t-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set 17-piece. This 17-piece hard anodized aluminum set uses a titanium-like nonstick coating and thermospot heat indicator to signal proper preheating. It includes a wide range of pots, pans, and a Dutch oven with vented glass lids and riveted silicone handles. Oven safety up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, lids to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and dishwasher compatibility at convenience, though it is not induction compatible. The design is forged and durable, aimed at versatile home use with strong preheating cues and broad stovetop compatibility, excluding induction. Performance-wise, the thermospot indicator helps beginners achieve consistent results, and the hard anodized exterior resists scratching and warping. The pan assortment, with 8, 10, and 11.5-inch fry pans and a 3.5-quart sauté pan, plus larger stock pots, covers most weeknight meals. However, the lack of induction compatibility limits use on many modern kitchens, and while dishwasher safe, heavy or high heat cycles could compromise the non-stick over time. The weight, 28.9 pounds total, and the oversized overall footprint may be cumbersome for smaller kitchens. Product number 2. Caraway Non-Stick Pots. A 16-piece caraway set built from reinforced die-cast aluminum with titanium-enhanced non-stick coating. It emphasizes even heat distribution, PFOS/PFOA-free construction, and includes several pans, saucepans, a stock pot, and accessories like a slotted turner and pan protectors. Induction-ready and oven-safe, it provides solid value with contemporary silicone lids and a 12-month warranty. In practice, this set shines in everyday tasks: rapid, uniform heating with few hot spots and reliable food release. The silicone lids provide good sealing, and the overall weight, 16.48 pounds, makes handling easier than larger sets. Fit and finish are generally good for the price, but the lighter lid design and mid-range non-stick coating may show wear sooner with aggressive heating or metal utensil use. The set's 16-piece roster is well suited for smaller families or apartment kitchens that need ingredient versatility without overhauling a full kitchen. Product number 3. Hexclad Hybrid Nonstick 6-piece Fry Pan Set. Hexclad's 6-piece set features a hybrid technology with laser-etched steel core and Terabond ceramic nonstick coating. The tri-ply construction includes an aluminum core for quick, even heating. It is induction-ready, dishwasher-safe, and oven-safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Pans only. Lids vary. The line is backed by a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects and includes 8, 10, and 12-inch fry pans with tempered glass lids. Performance highlights include excellent sear results thanks to the stainless steel surface in the hybrid design and robust heat conduction. The cookware is compatible with metal utensils and suitable for enthusiasts who want high heat tolerance and straightforward cleaning. Household use on all cooktops, including induction, aligns with modern kitchens. Product number 4. Caraway 26-piece pots. A large 26-piece caraway set designed for multi-pot versatility, featuring reinforced die-cast aluminum, a granite non-stick coating marketed as 10X Ultra Non-Stick, and full-range stock pots, sauté pan, and multiple lids. It supports induction on all pieces and includes extensive accessories like ladles, steamer, and pasta saver. The heavier 27.1-pound weight signals a substantial but still manageable kitchen-dense kit. Real-world usage shows that this set excels at family meals or batch cooking thanks to its breadth of stock pots and the extended bottom design for even heating on all cooktops, including induction. However, Carrote notes hand washing as recommended, which could impact convenience for busy households. The 26-piece composition is a strong value for the price, but the heavy weight and the absence of dishwasher-friendly claim on some pieces should be considered for storage and maintenance.
Product number 5. Carrote 17-piece pots. This Carrote 17-piece set emphasizes space-saving design with detachable handles for easy storage. The granite non-stick surface, BPA/PFOA/PFOS free construction, and oven compatibility offer flexible use across kitchens with limited storage. The set includes 2 saucepans, 2 frying pans, a 4-quart sauté pan, detachable handles, utensils, and pan protectors. In daily use, the detachable handle feature unlocks RV-friendly or small space versatility, enabling oven and grill transitions with minimal hassle. The non-stick performance is reliable for everyday tasks, while the set's lighter weight and compact footprint are attractive for apartment dwellers or campers. Caveats include a reliance on detachable handles being securely attached during use and potential wear on the locking mechanism over time. The 17-piece configuration offers a compelling blend of portability and practicality at a budget price.